Hi, my name is Firefighter Dixon, and today I'd like to take a moment to talk to you about how to stay safe during a fire. In the event of a fire in your home, it is imperative that you have a plan, working smoke detectors, and know what to expect when the fire department arrives. There will be a lot of activity going on and things you may not understand, but just remember, we're there to help. The first thing I'd like to talk to you about is smoke detectors. Smoke detectors should be in every room of the home, if not possible, should be in every available area that can house a smoke detector, such as a hallway, a basement, every level of the home, if possible. This particular smoke detector is a traditional smoke detector. It will only detect smoke and alarm when smoke is detected within the home. If you hear a consistent beep from the smoke detector without hitting the test button, that means it's time for you to try to replace the batteries on your smoke detector and should be replaced immediately. To test your smoke detector, you just simply hold the test button and it should alarm. If you hold the test button and it does not alarm, that means it's definitely time to change your batteries. There are different types of smoke detectors. The one I just showed you is a traditional smoke detector, which means it only detects for smoke. There are combination smoke detectors, such as the ones that detect smoke, CO2, and carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a smokeless, odorless, tasteless gas that can get into your home, make you feel very sick, or possibly cause death. That is why it's imperative to make sure you have one on each level of the home or nearest to a furnace, stove, or anything that can give off gas. A smoke detector is your first line of defense against getting out of a fire in the event that it's in your home. Another thing I'd like to talk to you about is having a plan for in case there is a fire within your home. It is imperative that you and everyone that lives in your home have a home evacuation plan. It can be something as simple as this. This is something I drew up, and it has rooms on the paper, which route is the safest to take to get out of the building, and also a safe zone or a meeting zone for when you and everyone else in the home is out of the building. If this is not possible, try to stay within the room, close the door until the fire department arrives and we can get you out of the building. It is important to go over your evacuation plan at least once a month or as soon as possible, and to give each member a goal or a job to do when it is time to evacuate. And everyone should know where the safe meeting zone is for when everyone's evacuated and accounted for. When we arrive to the scene, there's going to be a lot of lights, sirens, and activity going on you may not understand. The best thing to do is to stay as far away from the building as possible and contact the chief on scene to let them know if everyone is out of the building or if there's still someone in the building. There will be a lot of other questions asked, such as, do you know how the fire was started? Or do you know if there's anyone left in the building? Try to answer these questions as truthfully and as quickly as you possibly can. It will help us do our job and it will help you stay safe. I hope that you have taken this time to understand how smoke detectors and having a plan can actually save your life in the event of a fire. Some fire departments, such as my own, have a plan that we can give to the homeowner once we come out and do a safety inspection. This can include checking smoke detectors, CO alarms, and evacuation routes, and giving you a better idea of what will work and what will not work in the event of a fire. I hope that today you learned a few things and you understand the importance, and thank you for watching this video. When we arrive to the scene, there's going to be members coming out of the fire truck that may look a little scary at first, but we're just there to help. I'd just like to take a moment to explain why we have on everything we have on and why we're carrying the tools that we have to carry. The first thing you'll notice is our PPE or protective equipment, such as our helmet, jacket, pants, and boots and gloves. We also may be carrying something called an SCBA. This is a mask that covers our face so we can breathe clean oxygen while we're inside the building taking care of the fire.